Stay in style with our modern apartments in Brasília, designed for both comfort and convenience. With fully equipped kitchens, spacious living areas, and prime locations, these apartments offer an ideal base for your stay.
Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
This charming property, conveniently located just 5 miles from the bustling Centro do Núcleo Bandeirante 156 airport, offers guests a comfortable stay in the heart of Brasília. Situated within easy reach of several key landmarks, such as the Supreme Court of Justice of Brazil and the cultural complex of the Republic, this accommodation provides a prime location for exploring the city's vibrant cultural scene. Equipped with a modern 24/7 front desk and complimentary Wi-Fi access throughout, guests can enjoy their stay without worrying about connectivity issues. Flat 337, located near the Embassy of the USA in Brasília, offers guests a comfortable stay in a beautifully furnished apartment. This charming residence boasts a spacious balcony offering breathtaking views of the surrounding riverside, perfect for enjoying leisurely strolls or simply taking in the serene scenery. The apartment features a modern decor, complete with an air-conditioned living space, providing optimal comfort during hot Brazilian days. Guests will find a well-equipped kitchenette stocked with essential appliances, making culinary creations both enjoyable and convenient. Flat Nobile, Centro de Brasília, at 212 in Brasília, offers an inviting retreat with modern amenities and convenient location situated just a stone's throw from major attractions, such as the Palace of Justice and the Square of the Three Powers. Guests enjoy easy access to cultural hubs and historical landmarks. This spacious apartment boasts a separate bedroom, a comfortable living room, and a well-equipped kitchen, ensuring comfort and convenience at every turn. With its private bathroom, complimentary Wi-Fi, and air conditioning, guests will find their stay both relaxing and enjoyable. Get Loft Muito Próximo ao Aeroporto de Brasília offers guests an inviting abode situated just 8.7 miles from the bustling cultural complex of the Republic and 8.8 miles from Estadio Brasília. This beautifully appointed apartment features amenities such as free Wi-Fi, a fully equipped kitchen with essential appliances like a microwave and stovetop, and a private bathroom with a walk-in shower and hairdryer. Guests enjoy tranquil street views, making relaxation a breeze. Flat Parque da Cidade Brasília, located approximately 1.1 miles from the cultural complex of the Republic in Brasília, offers guests a luxurious accommodation experience, featuring amenities such as a sauna, spa facilities, and wellness packages. This spacious apartment, equipped with a flat-screen TV, free Wi-Fi, and a private balcony overlooking the rooftop pool, provides a comfortable retreat perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. The apartment's one-bedroom layout includes a fully furnished living area, a separate bedroom, and a bathroom complete with a shower and bathrobe. Cullinan Brasília Flat, particular EM Hotel, Junto ao Shopping, located near the Conjunto Nacional Mall in Brasília, offers guests an exceptional experience with its state-of-the-art facilities. Situated within walking distance of the bustling shopping district, this apartment provides easy access to various amenities, such as a fitness room and a 24-hour front desk, ensuring convenience and comfort throughout the stay. Guests can enjoy free Wi-Fi and private parking, making travel arrangements seamless. Harmonia à Beira do Lago, Life Resort located in the bustling heart of Brasília, just 2.5 miles from the prestigious Palace of Justice, and mere 3 miles from the vibrant National Congress of Brazil, Harmonia Abairá do Lago. Life Resort offers a serene escape within the city's bustling urban landscape. Nestled amidst greenery and adorned with a charming garden, this luxurious retreat provides guests with everything they could possibly desire in a resort setting. Accommodating up to 2 people comfortably, the spacious apartment features a well-equipped kitchen where you can prepare meals at your leisure.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.